This is a Revit model in Autodesk Construction Cloud, and this is the same model as an interactive Power BI report. Frame is a BIM analytics platform. It connects to the Autodesk projects you already have access to. Select Add Model, then choose your Autodesk source. Browse to the file, an individual Revit, IFC, or Navisworks model, or a federated coordination view. Nothing is downloaded, nothing is re-uploaded. Frame prepares the geometry, hierarchy, and properties for analytics. Preview the model. Inspect an element. Confirm the data is ready. Then generate the report data. Frame turns the model into structured datasets built for reporting tools. Create report, choose a template, and open it. Power BI loads with your model data ready. Filter a category, and the elements light up in the viewer. Click an element, and its properties are right there. From an ACC model to a Power BI report, one connected workflow. This is Frame.